guys, today we have an iPad 9th generation that has a no charging issue. So first thing is we want to plug in the charging cable and see what we get. So as we can see, there's a signal it's charging, but it's not taking any. It is not taking any amperage. So it's activating the iPad, but it's not charging. So now, to see if this will work, so what we're gonna do is try to test with a TriStar tester to see if it works. And sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. This one's low battery, so I guess we need to charge it. Man. You take out this cable. So let's try to screw this back. Let's try to screw this in. It was pretty loose. Yeah, it's charging normal now, 2.2 amps. Oh yeah, when you wiggle on it, it's still the same. It's a loose charging port that it was. So the two screw right here, it was pretty loose. Then we just tighten it up, and the charging port is in place now. So it's an easy fix. I don't mind. And yeah. So we're gonna put the screen back and everything, and test it again to solve the problem. What we need to do is let's put the screen back. You don't want to blow up the backlight. Oh yeah, come on, it's too tight. Okay. 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 Put the screen in. Put the screw back. Let's go. Okay. All right. This is too much. Oh, yeah. All right. You want to test this? Oops. So let's plug in the charging cable. So it's charging 2.1 amps. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so it's been charged a while. I think it powered up earlier. So let's turn it on. Yeah, so trying to see if everything works fine. It's charging and it just powered on earlier and it's still at 1%. But it's charging, it's taking 1.5 amps. And then when you try to wiggle, the charging port, the amperage is not fluctuating. It means the charging port is fixed. Yeah, so the only issue with this iPad was the two screw that were holding the charging port. It became loose. So we tightened it up and it works fine now normally. So that's it. This is a pretty much easy repair. Sometimes it's not that hard, where you don't need to go fix the charging IC or anything like that, or replace the whole charging port. But in this case, we just need to, re-screw tighten up the two screws. So next time, make sure check those screws to see if you wiggle on it and start moving the amperage. Then check those screws first before you replace the charging port. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next video. Bye for now.